Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to manage multiple Discord servers efficiently with a smart admin workflow. Yeah, if you run more than one server, it can get overwhelming keeping track of roles, channels, and moderation. But with the right setup, you can save a lot of time and stay organized. So first, create a clear admin hierarchy on each server. Uh, Assign roles for moderators, helpers, and admins with specific permissions so everyone knows their responsibilities and there's no confusion. Next, standardize your server structures. Yeah, try to keep categories, channels, and naming conventions consistent across servers. This makes switching between servers easier and reduces mistakes. After that, use management bots that support multiple servers. Bots like MEE6, Dyno, or custom bots can synchronize moderation, welcome messages, and logs across servers, saving you from repetitive tasks. Also, maintain a central documentation or checklist. Yeah, keep track of rules, templates, and announcements so you can copy and apply them quickly without redoing everything manually. And yeah, schedule regular audits. So check roles, permissions, and channel activity to ensure nothing is misconfigured or misused across your servers. Finally, automate alerts and reporting where possible. Most of the time, these practices will make managing multiple servers much smoother, efficient, and stress-free. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.